Good evening. In my last video, I analyzed the balance sheet, the company's financial health position, that is, what is the strength and weakness of the company. And also, I assured that in my next video, I will discuss how to get out of this worst situation by the company. Now, before starting my video, I'm telling another most important problem here is there that company has purchased plant and machinery 5 crores rupees. That too has been incurred from the company's current account fund, that is current bank account. Normally, what is the purpose of maintaining current bank account? That maintaining of current bank account is day-to-day expenditure. It's to meet day-to-day expenditure, that is salary, wages, purchase of raw materials, payment to creditors, electricity bill, rent, rates and taxes. So many examples I can set. Now, here, company has incurred 5 crores rupees for, from the current account, current bank account fund for purchase of capital goods. There is 5 crores of rupees. If you see the balance sheet, you can find out. 5 crores rupees. But company is suffering the acute cash crunch. If the company would not have incurred the current bank account, the company's 5 crores rupees was in excess, was available in their fund. Now, normally, plant and machinery is long-term assets, that is fixed assets. It will give benefit for 10 to 15 years. Normally, all the companies, reasonable management, they can, here is another source of fund may be available, that is called a term loan. If company could have been taken the term loan from bank for 5 to 10 years tenure, and company can pay the EMI as well as interest. Now 5 crores rupees has been incurred from current account fund. This is the most dangerous things. Due to these things, specialists are telling that long-term purchase should be made from long-term source of fund. That is term loan from bank, etc., etc. Now, at the time, if the company would have asked the bank for giving term loan, bank would have agreed to give the term loan. Now, if company asks that we are sick, we are not having any money to continue the production, bankers will give you the money. Do you think? No, bankers will not give you the money. Because bankers will see that is company's stability. The company has no future. Tomorrow it may close down. Tomorrow it may shut down due to no stock. However, some employers, some promoters feeling proud that our company is a debt-free company. I think this notion is very, very not logical. However, I am not going to criticize that management or entrepreneur, but I know there is long-term purchase, there is fixed asset purchase, cannot be. If it is 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, it is okay, but if it is 5 crores rupees, according to the size of the business of the organization, if it is being done from the current cash bank account, then the situation will be like that. Now, we have to save the company. We have to save the company. We have to save the 100 employees bread and butter. How to save the company? What is the remedy? How to get out of this situation by the company? First thing is that company has to dominate their suppliers, customers. Suppliers has to be forced to give the materials immediately for rupees 3 crores. for a 30 days credit period so that company's production cycle has been moving. Company can start production. With the help of the production, company can generate sales, company can generate profit, and company can save the unemployment of their employees. Another thing has to be very carefully has to be made. That data has to be, customers has to be forced to pay the amount, at least 3 crores of rupees within 15 days. Otherwise, the company will have to take legal action against the customers. So, that is company's attitude is to funding the suppliers and customers has to be stopped here. Now, when funds starts generating, company can pay the most valuable things, that is income tax payment. At the time now, after paying the income tax payment, company can relieve to that extent that we are not having any statutory dues. This is the things. Now, today I am telling these things. Tomorrow, next video, I will tell from the auditor's point of view how auditor will see the, suppose if this balance sheet has to present to the auditors for certifying, then what will be the auditor's comments? That I will discuss in the next day. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.